Good morning, people. Like I always do when I'm dealing with a new fuel, is a friction and shock test. I believe that's a must, okay? When you're dealing with something that you're not sure how sensitive it is. For safety reasons, everybody should do the same. Okay, that's my KHP fuel. And I got some Sally over there, and I got these two 3/4 of an inch internal diameter tubes. What I'm gonna do after the shock test, I'm gonna put like 4 or 5 increments of KHP in one tube, 4 or 5 increments of Sally in the other tube, and I'm gonna ignite them because I want to test and I want to verify how loud this new fuel is compared with Sally. Okay, let me do the 1/2 gram friction test, and let me get everything ready, and I'll be right back. Okay, so metal, of course, metal friction test. No ignition. Okay, let's do the shock test. There we go, shock test. Okay, did like 4 strikes, and I got barely to ignite, so it's pretty safe. Okay, we go for sound test. Sally. That's ear piercing. KHP. This loud as Sally, but I like the Sally sound better.